Good morning, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all watch me lay my edges down for my Luvme Boho braided 26-inch wig. This is typically what I have to do in the morning. How y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. So you can see right here, normally it lifts overnight. So I just like to go in with a little bit more glue. Some here, just around the edges. And then you gotta dry it. You gotta dry. And then, y'all know I'm still learning how to do this, right? So what I do is I just pull that piece down to my liking. A little bit with my Got To Be spray here. Just pat her a little bit. Time for some more heat. I can feel her tightening up. Yeah, one thing I will say, this really is a beautiful unit. Like I said before, it's my first time doing a lace front. So I'm finding that it's a little bit more maintenance than I thought. So I just go in and I like to put some spray in between the braids because the girl is nervous, y'all. I told you, this is all new to me. I don't want anything coming off. So yeah, I'll just do a couple of squirts. Spray it up a little bit. Try to keep that center part straight. Sometimes it's not so straight. And today it looks to be a little off. Let me see, can I fix that a little bit, without disrupting what I've just done. Hold down those edges that we just glued. So that's my morning regimen, laying those sides back down, and then I'll style her a little bit later. I may or may not come back and show you all that, but that's what I do. I use my Got To Be glue and my Got To Be spray glue and sticky glue, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys got some tips, please be sure to share them. Drop them down in the comments because this is brand new to me. But y'all, this Luvme Hair Boho braided 26-inch wig really is bomb. She's a great unit. It's your girl Kietha T, Kietha. If y'all enjoy the content, be sure to drop a like, comment, share, and consider subscribing. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Okay, y'all, real quick, I just want to come and show you today's look. I got the headband and I've got the hair clipped up in the back. I spin around. And that's it. Today's look.